What is up, my Back to Life family? I am out here at Yevu's Tea Shop on
Bangalore National Highway Road.
National Highway in Calcutta. Okay, your name is?
Bashir.
Bashir? What's his name?
Usain.
Hussein. What's your name? Kareem. Yo, check out this kitchen. Literally this kitchen for this little cafe right here, the little tea shop. He's got what you need right here. This is pretty cool to see. Can you explain what you have going on here?
That's steam puttu. Kerala puttu.
Puttu. Steamed rice.
Steamed rice.
How is this working here? This is a steamer.
Steam, water, steam, or
coming up here, and then in here. Okay. Oh yeah, I want to see this. Let me show you. I've never seen it. Oh. Alright, so he's gonna push it through. And bam. Oh. How is it? Putte.
Yes.
Putte. That's so cool. He just pushed that all the way out. And then you cut it?
Cut it. That's one.
Oh. You just break it up. That's cool. Go ahead. No.
Coconut.
And coconut.
That's a coconut cutting.
Rice cake. Rice cake. And what's in here?
That's a...
Mix it.
Vegetable.
Mixed vegetables.
Curry. Vegetable curry.
Oh, curry right there. That's good. And then what is he making?
Tea.
Can he make me one? Okay, I'm gonna have a cup of tea. In Kerala, everybody's drinking tea, yeah?
Yeah.
Everybody.
Everybody, that's all.
In all of India. All of India drinking tea. Oh yeah, my man's going in. Check it out. Put a cup of chai right there. He's filtering the milk, yeah? Filtering. Oh, that's the chai.
Chai.
No.
That's one.
Oh.
Okay.
That's cool.
That's in my...
What's that? Oh, okay. Bartender. You're doing a great job, brother. Oh, thank you very much. So, we put that right here for now. I will try it. I gotta see if it's good.
You will try.
I gotta see if it's good. Alright, we got the tea right here. And how much for one tea?
One tea, 10 rupees.
10 rupees, alright, for one tea. Let's see. Pinkies up. Oh, that's good, brother. Hey, tell him that's a good job. That's a good job, brother. Cheers. That is so good. Oh my God. What's your name, brother?
My name is Wahid.
Swahid.
Wahid, yes.
Wahid.
You are from?
America.
America.
Where are you from?
I am here.
From Wayanad.
Calcutta, yes.
Calcutta.
Yeah.
Sugamano.
Yes, I am.
That's all I know. I still haven't learned. No. I know Sugamano and Nani. That's it.
You only know 2 words.
2 phrases.
Oh, yeah.
2 phrases, brother. Hey, super awesome people here though, man. They got the whole kitchen right here, literally on the side of the street, like outside of the street. He's selling his other stuff. Oh, you got sweets and everything. That's cool, brother. And tell them one more time the name of the shop so people can come get some tea.
Yevu Tea Shop, Calcutta.
Yevu's Tea Shop in Calcutta on Bangalore
Highway. National Highway. Bangalore National Highway.
Bangalore National Highway. Come get you a cup of tea
Calcutta,
for 10 rupees. Come get you a cup of tea. That is so good. Alright, so I'm done showing this. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Just to show y'all some street food. This is actually pretty cool. I've never seen just like a little kitchen on the outside. Like, he's steaming more rice. I like that, but I'm gonna go find one more place. Alright, y'all, so I just walked up to another guy. He's making peanuts right here. He's cooking them up. What's your name? Your name? You speak English? What's his name? How? Guzman. Guzman. Nice to meet you. Yo, he's making the peanuts right here. Oh man, look at that. So this in the bag. Look at that right there, brother. What's in there? What's that? Oh, more peanuts. More peanuts. That's so cool. Look at that. That is so cool. I gotta go see what he's making back there too. Look at all these people. What's up, brother? How you doing? What's your name?
Shahun.
Shahun. Nice to meet you, brother. My name is Nikolai. Nice to meet you.
I'm very glad to meet you again.
Nice to meet you, brother. That's pretty cool. Great job, sir. He didn't speak any English, but he was super cool. That was absolutely awesome. He gave me a little sample. And I told him, I was like, I'm not hungry or else I would have bought some. But it's cool. And like to see all these shops here, literally as you're walking, everybody has a shop. The streets are busy, they're loud. I mean, literally, no matter where you look, people got a shop open. How you doing, brother? People got shops open, and people are super friendly. Everybody's ready to say hello. That's cool, though. I mean, literally, it's awesome. Like, literally, y'all check it out. We got fresh fruit. Hello, sir. How are you?
Fine.
Fine. You speak English, yeah?
No.
Little.
Only Malayalam.
Only Malay. Sugamano. And that's it.
Okay, okay.
How are you? And Sugamano. This is perfect. Thank you, sir.
Where coming from?
America.
America.
Ah. Where are you from? Wayanad.
Yeah, Wayanad.
Ah. Nice shop. Nice. Nice. We got the bananas. Oh, everything you need in here. This is cool. Ginger. You have everything. Everything. That is nice. Nice to. No, I'm okay. Nice to meet you, sir. Thank you. Nani. Look, another shop. Look at this, y'all. There's so much, like literally anything you need, man. This is another one. What in the world? This is crazy. Look at all this. Fresh tomatoes. I don't even know what that is. It's like dried mushrooms. That's pretty cool though. And I'm gonna keep walking right here. It's a little dark outside, but we're gonna go find something else. Alright, y'all, so I'm walking by again. And I just like, they love sweet shops here. Literally, we got so much cakes. We got bread. What's your name, sir?
Gefur.
How?
Gefur.
Gefur. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Vinod.
How again?
Vinod.
Vinod. What's your name?
Ashraf.
Oh, drinking tea. I just had some tea there. I just drank some tea. You got cookies. What else do you have? Everything, yeah? Banana chips? Everything. That's cool, brother. You make it here, yeah?
No, we have.
You have a supplier? Ah, that's cool. Look at all the cakes, y'all. Look at all this. This is cool, man. You need something, you just come by and grab it. Nice shop. Thank you so much, sir. Nice to meet
Your
you.
good name?
Nikolai.
From?
America.
America.
No, Kerala. Nice to meet you, brother. How are you doing, sir? Thank you. Even if you need some shoes, they got you. And they're hanging. They're ready to sell them things. That's cool. How you doing, brother? My man got it. Yeah, whatever you need, they got it, man. They got the shoes, the belts. Yes, sir. What's up, brother? High five. Damn. What's your name?
Zidane.
Zidane. What's your name?
Rias.
Rias. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
I'm just walking around showing everybody the streets over here. It's really cool.
Yeah.
You ever been on YouTube?
Yeah, I've been.
You made a YouTube video?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, here's another video. Tell them your name again.
Zidane.
Zidane. It's my brother. See you, brother. Yo, we got another one. Sir, you speak English? Sir, you speak English or no? No English. I don't know what he's making, but that looks good. That looks good right there. Who speaks English? You speak English? Nobody speaks English? No, that's okay. You speak English? Speak English? No, that's okay. Look what he's making, y'all. Deep frying right there. That's gotta be good. Sorry, brother. Look at that. Look at that. That's on the side of the street, man. People just walking by and buying it. That's cool. What's this name? Name? How's this? The name? Onion. Ah, so this is onion. Deep fried onion. Ah, that looks good, brother. What's your name? Ah, nice to meet you. I like that. We persevere. Oh, look at that. Oh, bread, chopped onion, and a little bit of yolk. That looks good. And then it turns into that. That's pretty cool. Hello, sir. All right, y'all. I'm gonna keep it moving. Nobody spoke English over there, so I had to make do with what I had. But they were cool. Alright, y'all, so I am back at the room, and the first thing I want to say about doing Indian street food tours is like, I enjoy seeing that like small camaraderie of people, like where it's just people gathered literally on the street where, you know, you can get some food for 10 rupees, 20 rupees, whatever it may be. And it's literally so cool to see like the owners of the shops or the little carts doing what they're doing. The one gentleman, he couldn't speak any English, but he gave me a little sample and had the tea or the chai, ura chaya, at one place. And that tea is absolutely amazing. If you don't know what it is, it's tea with milk and some sugar, and it's literally so good. That stuff where he was steaming the rice with the coconut stuff, that literally was so cool. Kind of blew my mind. But without further ado, that's the end of this video, and it's time for the shout out from the comments. And I have chosen Roy Kurian. He said, bro, you covered my hometown. Thank you. I still have memories shopping on the street with my mom. I miss my hometown and my mom too. She's long gone. Sorry to hear about that loss, brother. Thank you so much for the comment and telling me that it brings that type of, you know, good memory back for you. That was in the Indian market exploring on SM Street. So thank you so much, Roy Kurian. Make sure you don't miss out on your chance to get featured on a video. Make sure you drop a comment and you might be chosen. But anyways, if you did like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at NicoTJR to get an inside scoop of things. My Back to Life family. See you on my next vlog. Peace.